with me while I clean my bathroom sink, toilet, and tub. So I'm just getting everything ready. This is the bleach. This is the bathroom cleaner. Look at my clean off. Ooh. And this is the pine salt. There's only a little bit left in here. So, my sink is cleared off. My sleeves are gonna get wet because they keep coming down. So this is my sink and the water's running right now. And this is my sponge, which I keep behind my faucet. Oh, ow, it's hot. That's too cold. Alright. So let's fill up the sink with the cleaning ice. I had a little trouble trying to get the drain to go down so the water can leak. If this persists, then I'm going to call maintenance. So let me get this water ready and we'll continue. Hey guys, we don't want too much water, but there's the water. So now I'm going to put this pine salt. Should be enough because the rest of it's going to go in the toilet. So move the pine salt. And then we're going to put the pine salt up here. We're going to add a little bit of bleach. Okay, that's enough. And I just like bathroom shelf, so I'm just moving the cleaning stuff out the way from the top shelf. This is the bathroom cleaner. Some of that in here. Ow, and I just hit my finger. Okay. I got enough of that. If this door doesn't stop opening, like, I have this bathroom door that just won't stop opening. So I'm gonna put this against it. Okay. So now we're gonna take our sponge. Get the sponge all wet. I don't like the bubbles, but there's soap and disinfectant stuff, cleaning stuff in here. So we're gonna start right here. Get back in the corners. Kind of move all this stuff towards the sink so it can go in. And go around. Woo. Gonna push all this dust and dirt and stuff towards the sink. Go underneath the faucet. Get our sponge back in here. Wipe the top of the faucet off. Go behind the sink. Go around. And I do this 2 or 3 times. This sink wasn't that dirty. That's a good thing. So now we're going to do the inside. Just kind of move the sponge around, even though there's soapy water in here. Now we're going to let this out. Guess what? We get the rinse off the sink, y'all. There's the sink, and now we're going to rinse off. Oh, that water's hot. I'm trying to make it so it's not so hot. But it's hot enough. There we go. So now I'm going to use the other side of the sponge to kind of wipe it off. Right. And with the water running, it rinses off the inside of the sink too. To go around this big old circle part just to make sure I didn't miss nothing. And I go over this with a Clorox wipe too. So it's all about touch and feel. Okay. Now the sink is clean. So what I'm going to do is go over it again with the Clorox. Guys, I have the Clorox wipes sitting right here. So I'm going to take this, kind of go over the sink. I have to get another one out of here. Go over this again. And guess what, y'all? There's my clean sink. Look at that. Look. Ain't nothing wrong with that sink. All clean, yo. Thank you for joining me. Now is to clean the toilet. I already did the outside of the toilet seats and the stuff. I already wiped off this in the back of part of the toilet. So now we're going to clean the inside. I need to get some more Sorrel. Like Sorrel. That's enough of that because I need the rest of the tub, which is not much. So I'll have to substitute with bleach. But that's fine. Okay. So we're going to add a little bit more bleach in here because it wasn't enough spray. Okay. Now we're going to add the bathroom cleaner. Well, we're going to add the Pine Sol first. Sorry. That was the last of that. Okay. Put that back there with the bleach. Oops. It's the end of the month and there's like I'm running out of cleaning supplies and stuff. It's just, oh, I don't like the end of the month. Let's just put it that way. Okay. Now we're going to take this toilet brush and start cleaning. I'm going to sit this here for a little minute and I'll come back. I'm going to plug in my new plug-in. This is what kind it is. I don't know if it says it right there, but oh well. And it's the Gain or Febreze kind, but a double pack. This plug in. And I'm still letting my cleaners, soak in the tub or whatever. Well, trying to plug it in and it's not cooperating. Hold on. Time to take this toilet brush and do some scrubs. So this is how I do it, and I don't touch a thing. I go around the rim, make sure I get everything off of that. And I'm just gonna do this. How do I know if it's clean? Hey, if you go around it a couple of times, you know it's clean. What more can you do, right? Now, mind you, I'm not touching none of this because I don't know. Just because I'm blind don't mean I gotta touch it. Just going around it. And there we go. Look at that. So like, I'm dope, y'all. I'm dope. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll clean the tub, but I won't film that. Bye.